Alright guys, here's a really quick redneck tip. A lot of guys probably don't realize. Okay, what you want to do is cut, you want to make holes in 4 different pieces or however many different pieces. All you do is you get them all cut the same length, clamp them all together like you see here, and now I'm going to tack weld on each of these little surfaces here to hold them all together, and then we'll take more of the drill press. And this is just a quick tip to keep all your holes the exact same. Hopefully this helps, guys. Alright, as you can tell, all 4 pieces are welded together now, just with a quick tack weld on both sides. There. So now when I take it over to the drill press, I can drill all 4 pieces at the same time. So now, we'll just take our clamps off, cool down. See, it's all held together. So now, take and mark out our holes, just like so. As you can see, there's our things ready to be drilled. Okay, I'll get the drill press set up now and ready to roll. Okay, clamps are off. As you can see, the holes are all drilled and ready to roll. Okay, as you can tell, we got one hole drilled straight through. I'm going to start the second one. Now make sure when you're running a drill press, you always clamp your work to the surface. So that way if the drill bit catches it, doesn't throw it off and tag you or throw it against your wall and break windows, you know. So, and here we go. trick is not to let the drill bit too hot, otherwise you're going to wreck it. Weaken steel in it and then it'll break on you. Plus it also gets dull if you don't keep it lubricated. There you go. You can tell, straight through design, 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of steel, all 4 holes cut. The exact same size and everything. No guesswork when you do it that way. Hope that helps, guys.